In this video, I'm going to show you how to remix an existing project in Lovable. Now, the first thing you have to do here on lovable.dev, you want to scroll down on your main page over here to be able to see your already existing projects. And here you want to select the one you would like to remix. So, for example, here I have a simple timer app. I can just click on those three dots next to its name. And then when you click on that, you can click on the remix button up top. And here it's going to say by remixing a project, you will create a copy that you own. And here you can also include the project history if you want to. I'm not going to do this right now. I'm just going to click on the remix. And just like that, it's going to start remixing the project. Then it's going to start loading for a bit. And whenever that's done, as you can see here, it successfully remixed this project. And as you can see, it says I've successfully remixed the project. What would be a good next step? And then you can go ahead and, of course, type in whatever your next step you would like to have. So, of course, that's how to remix. It's very simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.